What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Tattooed Trades. In this trade recap, I'm going to show you how I scalped nvidia on a 2-minute opening range break up, one of my favorite setups, and how I made over $1,000 in the first 6 minutes of the market open. Stick around, it's going to be a good one.
If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine.
All right, so we got to go over the thesis of the trade, right? Every trade starts from the top down. There's a certain criteria that needs to be met if we're going to look for certain activity on an intraday chart, okay? So here's nvidia on the daily. Obviously, nvidia is setting up one of my favorite patterns, all right? And I'm going to draw it out for you right now. This is called the George W. Some people might call it a double bottom, but I like to call it the George W. All right. And generally what happens, this double bottom is you want to, trade these breaks right here, but I'm a scalper. Okay. So I am trading the intraday movements, right? I'm not swing trading this setup. I'm just trading the bullish momentum it can create. So that's the thesis for this trade. The day we are trading is, I believe right here was yesterday, the day before, but it was a really good trade. It was in one of my other recap videos, but this is the actual screen recording of the trade. So let's get into it. Now, I think it's really important to show that we are in the second 2-minute candle. It is opened above VWAP. All right. Took one loss earlier in the day, but I'm looking for the 2-minute opening range breakout over VWAP and up over that first range. So now I'm in, right? I'm in full scale. I'm looking for a continuation up over the 9 moving average and up over the first 1-minute opening range candle. The good thing about this trade is I can actually keep it in real time because it was so quick and just kind of give you an idea of the things I'm looking for. So we break that first 1-minute opening range candle. And now the next move I'm looking for is a break of the pre-market high, which is to your left. So that's the prior pivot to your left. I think it's important to show that, my conviction in the trade keeps me in. Some people get upset. I'm looking for 165 in this trade, right? That's what I see on the level 2. And I know that if we break that pre-market high, whoever's shorting that open is going to get squeezed out. We're going to get some momentum. nvidia is a stock that can really run off of VWAP pushes. And this trade actually runs, I think, all the way up to 168, but I'm a scalper. I take the quick momentum. I'm scalping. I'm not marrying. I'm not swing trading, all right? So as we get closer up to 165, I'm starting to look for places where I can take my partials. I'm up over 2R already on this trade. Worst thing that can happen to me is I get stopped out at break even. So as you can see, as the stock starts to move up to 165, I'm going to start to hit out. So there we go. There's the first hit. There's the second hit. So the first 6 minutes of the market, and there's the P&L, $1,000 in 6 minutes. What job pays that, right? So guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please like the video, please subscribe, and please consider turning on that bell notification icon so that you could stay tuned for future videos. A lot of good content coming on this page. I'm going to have you guys scalping this market. I'll see you on the next one.
If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine.